The last drought was horrific. We had a massive debt, which was never going to be cleared.
All I knew was 10 years of drought. There's been some years we're having Vegemite sandwiches.
Sunshine beating on a good
I suppose I went through a fair bit of anxiety about what would happen.
I used to work in coal-fired power plants. We're already starting to see those outages happening. They're on their last legs.
But now we've got this new business of producing power.
When this solar farm was built next to us, I just thought, well, that land's wasted now. Turns out that was all wrong. Now there's actually more sheep grazing there. It's showing like a 20% increase in the wool cut of the sheep from under the panels. Panel sheep are happy sheep.
We'd never have been able to afford this without the wind farm. It enhances the asset value, enhances the borrowing capacity. Probably the most unexpected part about it is how easy it has integrated into my farm.
It's just really a no-brainer.
If we had somebody within that energy space, it would have just cut time on research.
We just try to make the journey less confusing.
They got those up there. I don't think they even broke a tile.
Now that we've got the passive income, we can live without the worry of when drought comes.
My role in life is to look after my wife and my kids. Hop in the tractor, mate. Put your seatbelt on. We didn't have that security before the solar farm came along.
It's about being a custodian of the land.
Making sure that it can continue to future generations. I don't think the sheep and cattle have a strong opinion on the transmission lines.